Alright you guys, today we're going to learn how we put this Whirlpool Cabrio washer in a test mode. There's actually a bunch of washers, not necessarily Whirlpools. There's a few Amanas, there's a few Maytags, and I believe there are a few other brands that make their washers the same way, and you can tell it's one of them washers by them lights. All of them washers that go in the test mode the same way, by the way, they're called VMW washers, vertical modular washer. So they all will have these 7 lights under the knob. And the way you put it in a test mode, you give that knob a good spin to the left. It doesn't matter which position you're going to end up in. At that point, you go 3 of those positions clockwise. Then you go right away, you go counterclockwise one position, and then back clockwise another position. So let's just do it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bam! You see them lights flashing. At this point you can choose which one of the test modes you want to start. For example, your error mode. So if you're going to hit start, you're going to see which errors are stored in there. So that's a different one. Yeah, so that's the error mode. Let's exit it. Let's do it one more time. Give it a good spin to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time let's do a manual test mode. So that's it. This is the manual test mode. You're going to hit start. The lid lock is going to engage. Alright, so that works. Cold water test. Nice. Hot water test. Great. Drain. Beautiful. Spin. Okay. I can hear the transmission engaging. It takes a few seconds for it to start spinning, and then after that you're gonna have your agitation. And yeah, that's how you put your Whirlpool Cabrio washer into a test mode. To exit, you just hit power button, and the lid lock just disengaged. Alright you guys, catch you next time.